How to plant Elephantia plats as ornamental plants for beginners. Leaves Elephantia, or known by the Latin name Anthurium Crystallinum, is one of the many ornamental plants planted in the yard of the house. This plant is called the Elephantia because the size of the leaves are much larger and look not as comfortable as the small-sized stems extending upward. Leaves of Elephantias are like hearts with dark green leaf color like velvet and leaf bone in the form of greenish-whitish vein with silver-colored ornamental pattern. Elephantia plug plants include plants that are easy to grow, can be planted outside or indoors. This ornamental plant will still display the beauty, even if you apply it in your living room or on the terrace. What you need to know is this Elephantiaing plants will quickly wilt if we put it directly in the sun for quite a long time. Just like ornamental taro plants, the leaves of this Elephantias have almost the same structure, namely with a combination of lines to white lines that spread to all parts of the leaves. The name of this Elephantias is also used to distinguish between Anthurium leaf and Anthurium flowers. Leaves of Elephantia plants into a charm for the lovers of ornamental plants. So, no wonder if Elephantia plants are found in the home garden is used as a garden ornamental plant to decorate the room. Here's how to plant and take care of the elephant leafia plants more. 1. Type of elephant plant type. A. Elephant Crystallinum ears. B. Clariavium elephantias. C. Ichthys elephantia per. D. Elephantia papillilumium. E. Elephant regalias. 2. How to breed the Elephantia. Breeding of Elephantia flowers can be done by means of separation of clumps by using a knife. When separating these clumps, do with a careful heart, not to damage the roots, stems and leaves Elephantia plants. Furthermore, before planting, store the seedlings first in a humid and wet. 3. How to plant elephant glands. If the seeds are ready, then prepare the planting media in the form of soil mix and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. After that, do the planting. Plant seeds in planting media, then solidify the planting medium around the seeds so that the seeds are not easily collapsed. Then flush for fresh seeds and grow well. 4. How to take care of Elephantia. Like other ornamental plants, the treatment is done on elephant ornamental plants. Elephantias are watering sufficiently periodically. Weeding done if necessary only. Do also fertilization by using compost manure fertilizer at least done every 1 to 1.5 months. In addition, the leaves to Elephantias also need to be cleared of dust and dirt. Cleansing Elephantia leaves can be done by wetting or spraying water on the leaves. Similarly, our video how to plant Elephantia plats as ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video we present can benefit all of us. Also follow our next video post at 6 p.m. every day. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.